In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Discord Developer Mode. Developer Mode in Discord is a simple setting that unlocks a very useful feature. It lets you copy unique IDs for servers, channels, messages, and users. These IDs are essential if you're building bots, connecting Discord to other tools, or following technical guides that ask you for things like a channel ID or user ID. Even if you're just curious about how Discord works under the hood, enabling Developer Mode is a great first step. Let's walk through how to turn it on inside the Discord app. I'll start with the desktop version, since that's what most people use when they're developing bots or doing advanced configuration. First, open the Discord app on your computer and log in if you're not already. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile area, and next to your username, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Click that gear icon to open your settings. You'll now see a panel on the left with a long list of categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under that, look for an option called Advanced. Go ahead and click Advanced to open the Advanced Settings page. On this page, you'll see a toggle labeled Developer Mode. By default, this is usually turned off. Click the toggle so that it switches on. Once it's enabled, Developer Mode is active on your account. Now, let's quickly test that it's working. Close the Settings window to return to Discord. Right-click on a server name, a channel, a user in the sidebar, or even a specific message. You should now see an option called Copy ID in the context menu. When you click that, Discord copies the unique ID of that item to your clipboard, ready to paste into your bot configuration, code editor, or documentation. If you're using Discord on mobile, the steps are similar. Open the app, go to your user settings by tapping your profile icon, then look for the Advanced section under App Settings. Inside there, turn on Developer Mode with the same toggle. After that, a long press on servers, channels, users, or messages will reveal the Copy ID option on mobile as well. That's all you need to do to enable Developer Mode in Discord. With this setting turned on, you'll be able to follow more advanced guides, configure bots correctly, and work with Discord's developer tools much more easily.